Hello guys and girls, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. Hope you all would be enjoying your day. So guys and girls, today's topic is how to install Oracle VM VirtualBox on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So basically it requires few steps. The first step is to install the setup file of the Oracle VM VirtualBox from its official website. The second step is to extract application software from the setup file, and the third step is to configure it. So let's get started. So now according to the first step, we will go to Oracle VM VirtualBox official website, and then we will find the download link for the VirtualBox setup file. So this is the Windows setup file and this is the support file. We will need to install both the files in our computer, as I have downloaded it earlier, so I won't waste my internet. And we will move on to the next step. So now next step is to extract the application software from the exe file. So first we will need to trigger the setup file to install the software. So now go to the folder where you have downloaded the setup file and then double click on the software setup. So as we can see, there is a pop-up of the setup file. Now we will click on next. Now this window is to select where you want to install your software. If you want to go with the default address, it's fine. But I want to change the location for the installation, so I will click on the browse. Then I will choose the location and then click OK. And then click next. Now if you want to have a shortcut of this software on the start menu, that is here. Then keep the first option enabled. Second option is for desktop shortcut. That is here. But I don't want it on desktop, so I will deselect it. The third option is for quick launch bar, that is here. And the last checkbox is for register file associations. It means that suppose a file which is for Oracle VM VirtualBox can only be opened by the Oracle VM VirtualBox, no other application. So if you are a programmer who wants to read the scripts or the programs of the application, then you can deselect it, but I will keep it selected and then click next. Now to continue our installation, I will click yes. And here is the last step of the installation. By clicking next, this software will start the installation process. Now after the software is installed, the process hasn't ended here. Now we will click on finish. And now this application will start. Now we will give the permission to VM VirtualBox for our ports. To enable the permission for different ports, trigger the support software which was downloaded by us earlier. Now go to the folder where you have downloaded the support file. Now double click on the support file and then click on install. Then scroll down, click I agree. Now you just have to link your installed virtual machine onto the VirtualBox. Hope you like this video. Please do comment your views and problems if you face any during your installation process. Our next video will be on the topic how to install Kali Linux on VM VirtualBox. So if you are interested, do remember to subscribe and click the bell icon to all to never miss an update. Thank you for watching and stay tuned